Gateron Pro Switch gaming keyboards from Porodo Gaming. Both of these keyboards are wired and connect to the system via USB. They have RGB lighting that can enhance the gaming experience. These keyboards also come with customization capabilities. You just need to install the corresponding software. Each of them has 104 keys with both English and Arabic letters on them. They also support anti-ghosting, so you can press multiple keys simultaneously and all commands will be executed. The only difference between these two keyboards is in their sound. The blue switch model has a louder sound, while the red switch model has a quieter and smoother sound. These keyboards have been tested with 50 million clicks to ensure long-term performance. The side edge of these keyboards is also functional for adjusting the volume. These keyboards have very high build quality. Porodo gaming keyboards create a more exciting experience for everyone.